Welcome back to another video. This video is going to show us what the Cartesian plane is, or a coordinate plane. It's the same thing. So you're going to see that it is set up like this. There are 4 quadrants. Before, you were only doing math in this quadrant right here, especially if you were in grade 6. But now we have 4 quadrants, and this is how we name the quadrants. This is quadrant number 1. This is quadrant number 2. This is quadrant number 3. And this is quadrant number 4. These are Roman numerals, so that's why they look like that. So I'm going to show you now what they look like and how you can label them properly. So here's the x-axis is over here, the y-axis is over here. And if I put a point over here, point A, we'll call it, the coordinates of point A are 3, 2. Okay, if I do another one, let's do this one here. Point B, you go with the x-axis first, 7, and the y-axis is 7. So this would be listed as 7, 7. So that's the grade 6 part of it. So now in grade 7, we do a little bit more. We use the second quadrant. So let's put one over here. Let's put point C over here. X-axis is still first. X-axis is -2. And the y-axis is still 1. It's positive. So as you can see, the numbers, they grow outwards here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The negatives, the closer you get to the vertex, this point here, the vertex, is 0, 0, by the way. The numbers grow out this way. They go in the opposite direction. Same with the y-axis here. They go into the opposite direction of what you would on the positive side. So negatives go to the opposite side. Let's put another one over here. Let's do point D. Point D is here. X goes first. It's -3. And the y-axis is 5. Let's plot some points in the third quadrant here. Let's go here. The third quadrant, both numbers are going to be negative. So let's look at point E. You go x-axis first, -6, and y-axis second, it's -4. Let's do another one. Point F, we'll call it. You see here, x-axis, -3, y-axis, -8. So this is how you would label these points. And let's go to the fourth quadrant right now. The fourth quadrant, I'm going to put a point over here. We'll call it point G. And x-axis first, y-axis second. And let's do one last one, H. Let's go here. 8 is the x-axis, -6 is the y-axis. So this is how you would use a coordinate system or a Cartesian plane. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.